Happy Friday! So, I like to live my life by cause and not effect. So, I am planning for my day, and actually, this will probably last me a couple days. So, I'm going to show you really quick what I am doing. This is my big green drink that I love to make. And yeah, this is everything I put in here. I've got spinach in here. I've got kale. I've got cilantro. I have, what else? I got what? Cilantro, celery, cucumber, lemon, and this whole bottle of this Bai coconut drink. And then I put a few squirts of this MCT oil. You can also add this a little bit of pineapple. You really don't need it because it's super sweet. So I always say you got to plan for your success. So here's my plan. How about